This is the AGM PAD T1, and if you're familiar with AGM Mobile, you will know that they are known for rugged and durable products designed for harsh environments. But with the PAD T1, they've taken a slightly different approach, which we'll explore in this video. Quick disclaimer, AGM sent me this device for review, but they've had no input in my thoughts or the final review. Everything I'll share is based on my personal experience. With that out of the way, let's dive into it. Inside the box, you are greeted with a message that reads, "Find your glory." Next is the tablet itself, already fitted with a protective case that doubles as a stand. Also included are a SIM ejector tool, a sticker collection, some paperwork, a USB-C cable, and a 10-watt charging brick. That's pretty much all you get inside the box. The PAD T1 has a thin and lightweight design, which is impressive for its price. The metal chassis with a matte finish gives it a premium feel. On the top is the power button with no fingerprint scanner and a 3.5mm headphone jack located at the edge. On the right side, you will find the volume rockers. On the left side is the SIM port housing 2 SIM cards and an SD card for added storage. At the bottom is a USB-C port and 2 down-firing stereo speakers. The speakers are loud, especially in the highs and mids, but lacks bass. There is no official IP rating, so it's best to avoid exposing it to harsh environments. The PAD T1 is powered by the Uni-SoC T606 octa-core 4G processor, similar to the MediaTek Helio G85. While this is an entry-level chip, it handles everyday tasks and light gaming smoothly, but bear in mind that most games will run on standard settings, and don't expect a completely lag-free experience. As a photographer, I tested apps like Lightroom and CapCut, and the performance was solid, making it a good tool for on-the-go editing. It features an 11-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with sharp and vibrant visuals, almost like a 2K screen. It's likely using some form of upscaling, which looks great, but might feel overly sharp for detailed workflows. It supports a 60Hz refresh rate and has Widevine L1 certification for HD streaming on platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Color reproduction is consistent, with no noticeable color shifts when compared to my smartphone and my MacBook. The PAD T1 runs on stock Android 14 with Google Mobile Services pre-installed. The UI is clean and free of bloatware. However, it lacks a split screen option, which I hope AGM addresses in future upgrades. It comes with a huge 7000 mAh battery that lasts all day, even under heavy use. I wonder how AGM is able to fit this massive battery and still maintain a thin and lightweight profile. I tested it as a hotspot hub with all my devices connected while gaming and multitasking, and it held up. Charging takes over 2 hours plus, which isn't the fastest, but the battery life makes up for it. For storage, the PAD T1 comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. You can expand RAM by an additional 4 GB through memory expansion, and storage is expandable via SD card. There's a single 13MP rear camera, which delivers decent images for casual use, document scanning, and productivity tasks. The 5MP front camera is suitable for video calls, but not ideal for high-quality selfies or vlogging. At the time of this review, the PAD T1 cost around 277,000 naira on AGM's official website and around 207,000 naira on Jumia Nigeria, with a 29% discount. The AGM T1 is ideal for students or anyone looking for an entry-level tablet on a budget. It delivers solid value for the price, but may not satisfy heavy users. This wraps up my review of the AGM PAD T1. Will you be picking one up? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Until the next video, find your glory.